I'm going to show you how to be making this using Pixellab. Stay tuned for the video. Good day everyone, this is Promise Kawai, your social media boss, your web designer, your graphics designer, and your YouTuber. Today I'll be showing us a simple trick on how to design the Captain America's shield, like Marvel's Captain America's shield, using Pixellab. So it's just a small trick, and I know most of you will be wondering how we're going to design it. You're going to see it very soon. So if this is your first time of coming to the channel, please like the video, please subscribe, and also turn on your notifications so that you can get further videos. So to design it, we need to open our Pixellab. Let's get it opened. Now this is our Pixellab. So we need to choose the white background. I love using the white background. We're going to start designing Captain America's shield now, and the first thing we need, if you are conversant with Captain America's shield, is we need a shape, and it has to be a cycle. So let me put it as a cycle shape. You understand? And I think the first color of the cycle, let me increase the size. I think the first color of the cycle is red. So let's put red. So once we've picked red, we'll try to centralize the cycle. You centralize everything, you can enlarge it more and centralize it, and you click OK. So in order not to waste our time, we need to just copy the same shape. We'll edit the color. I think the next color should be white. Yes, and we'll click OK. So now we're going to make it smaller and we'll also centralize it. You see it's at the center. You can still make it smaller, centralize it, and you press OK. So we are still going to duplicate the shape. We don't want to waste any time. First, let me centralize it again so that I'm sure it doesn't move. Then you duplicate again. Then you reduce. I think the other color that follows, I think, is red. So now let's change the color to red. Okay, so we're going to reduce and centralize. Yeah, I think that's okay. We're going to copy this again. We're going to copy the same shape. All you need to do is just copy and change the color. And I think the next color is blue. The next color is blue. We're looking for blue here. So this is blue. Let's press OK. Let's make it smaller. Let's see if let's make it smaller, and you centralize it. Yeah, and this is it. So all we need now is the star at the middle of the Captain America. So we're going to go to shapes. We're going to pick on star, and here is a white star. Then we'll centralize everything. We'll centralize the white star, and voila, this is our Captain America shield. So to make it more spicy, to make it more realistic, we're going to pick the first cycle, and we're going to give it like the shadow. We are going to give it some effects, some shadow. So we're going to enable shadow and we press OK. And I think, yeah, it's coming out okay. We can also do it for the star. Let me position the star on the middle and position it a little bit upwards. Yes, I don't want it to be too downwards. Yes, and let's give the star some shadow. So let me take this shadow, and wow, it's very realistic. So this is how you do your Captain America shield, using Pixellab. I hope you've learned something today. See you in my next video. Bye.